This could be the last time Brian and Crystal grace this camera because they're coming down the hill very fast.
Now watch Brian and Crystal.
Woo! Sweet. Oh! Out for Sophie! Is this fun or what? Look, hi, Crystal! Hi!
Uncle Delwood.
So, come here!
Here, we'll take this off and put
Come
it
on, show us how!
Yeah, that'll be more comfortable, huh?
Say hi, Ethan! Was that a sweet ride or what?
Okay, guys. This is way better. That way the hood's not on you. Here, let's see. Can I put this off?
Holy cow, is that fun?
Is this sweet stuff or what?
Daddy, help me! Dad,
All right, I'm coming.
help me,
I can't believe you didn't get that run.
Okay, fine. All right, go, Miss Crystal.
Oh, you have to catch me just in case. Guess I'm heading right for Soap and the trees. Oh my God. Is this fabulous? Tell Dad it's fabulous. Oh, well, I think you're probably going to win.
Megan, you have pockets right there in front of you. Guys, wait, I'm going to be in the race.
Slide down with me.
I got to find an easier way to do this.
Guys, I'm calling me.
Go down on your booty.
Are you calling me?
Go down on your
Guys,
booty.
I'm in the race. My hands can't fit in here, I think.
Oh, you're good.
Because they're too cold to fit in.
Well, they're warmer than they are.
Okay, here they go. Can you see the snow? Here they come.
Oh! Look at Brian. You guys caught some air.
Oh man, here's Sophie.
Oh, that was sweet.
Honey, you want to try it?
I think, yeah, you should go. The hike's the worst. I know, baby, I know.